Horses out, Cardong, Kaliwa gets away immediately, and in second, Hurricane G, Body Shot, Bush Carnival, then followed by Star Elisa, and Pills Game is the early trailer. Cardong, Kaliwa, Bayoralang Kanehapa, Hurricane G in second, in the middle, Bush Carnival, at about 5 wide now is Star Eliza, 5 lengths away in fifth comes Body Shot, and Pills Game is the early trailer by about 9 to 10 lengths up the pace. Cardong Kaliwa, the leader by about 2 lengths this time. And in second now is Star Eliza, Hurricane G, drives back in third. Bush Carnival is racing in fourth, Body Shot and Pills Game. And that's still Cardong Kaliwa traveling well okay now by about 3 lengths. And in second still is Pills Game. Bush Carnival now trying to get closer in third, Hurricane G, Body Shot and Pills Game. Cardong Kaliwa is rides away by about 6 lengths. And in second is Star Eliza, moving up Bush Carnival, Body Shot, Hurricane G, and Pills Game. As they come down at the last 150, Cardong Kaliwa now racing away by about 10 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Bush Carnival, Body Shot, Star Eliza, Pills Game. And nearing the finish line, it's Cardong Kaliwa. Second, Bush Carnival, Body Shot. Then comes Pills Game, Star Eliza, Hurricane G.
All right, so